Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by holding your device's display. Following that, click on icons between wallpaper and widgets at the bottom. Now swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust the size of them. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just hit apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!